We'll guide you through how to create a free Mailchimp account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website using your desktop browser and click Sign Up or Start Free, depending on what appears on the homepage. On the Sign Up page, enter your email address, create a username, and choose a strong password. Then click Create Account or the equivalent button to continue. Next, check your email inbox for a verification message from Mailchimp. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. After verifying your email, sign in to your new account. Mailchimp will guide you through a short setup process where you'll enter your name, business or organization details if applicable, your physical mailing address, and any other required information. Complete each step as accurately as possible, since some of this information is used in your email campaigns to comply with email marketing regulations. You may also be asked to connect your website, online store, or other marketing tools. These integrations are optional, so you can skip them and set them up later if you prefer. Once setup is complete, you'll arrive at the Mailchimp dashboard. From there, you can create your first email campaign, import or add contacts, build an audience, customize email templates, or explore Mailchimp's marketing features. Keep in mind that Mailchimp's plans and limits can change over time. As of 2026, the free plan includes limited features and supports up to 250 contacts and 500 email sends per month, making it a good option for testing the platform or managing a small audience before upgrading to a paid plan if your needs grow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.